Hello and welcome everybody. Today I'm gonna make a quick unboxing and a short review for I think one of the cheapest gaming mouse that you can buy on eBay. Is this one over here. It's worth £6.59. So let's keep everything and let's go to the unboxing section. This is the gaming mouse box. It's very simple. Black design. On the back you can see all the mouses, all the styles that you can buy from eBay. I think mine it's the one that's over here. Yeah, this is my mouse. It's pretty good for such a low budget gaming mouse. It's 3000 frame rate. So let's see what's inside of it. Let's open the box. Oh, there you go. So this is the actual mouse. It's pretty nice. It's a little bit bigger than I imagine, but it's very nice, very clean. It's pretty good. It feels very good. As you can see, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 buttons over here. I think one of them is for the DPS, the DPI. Sorry, yeah, this one over here is the button for the DPI. You've got the wheel. You've got the right click, the right click, the left click. And also those are the settings. I don't know, maybe I don't know for let's connect it and have a look how it will match with my gaming laptop. Let's see. And this one, it's with an USB. I think the cable is 2 meters. Yeah, so you got a pretty big mouse, actually a pretty big gaming mouse. But it's fine. It looks nice on my hand, and also I like it. It's very nice. I like the color anyway. So let's plug it in the computer. Just bear with me 1 second. Over here. And it started. Pretty nice. And it's changed the color by itself. As you can see, the colors are changing by itself. I think you got like 7 colors. You have green, blue, red. Pretty nice, nice mouse. And it's very quick. Let's test the DPIs. So this mouse over here, it's moving very nice. It's pretty smooth, pretty nice to have, pretty nice on touch. Let's increase the DPI. Oh, yeah, I think this mouse it will fit very good for FPS games. For example, Counter-Strike, Call of Duty, maybe Battlefield. I don't know, but it's pretty nice. I like it very much actually. For such a cheap mouse, it's good. It's okay. It's very okay. I will make a quick test on my Dota 2, and we'll see how the mouse will work in an actual game. So let's begin. This is the gaming mouse. As I said, I will play a little bit of Dota. It's not a FPS game, so it's not such a use for a gaming mouse, but this game is still using a lot of mouse movement, so that's why I choose this game, and also because I'm a Dota 2 fan. The mouse is pretty good, pretty quick. As you can see, it's very fast, it's moving very fast, and in this game you need to play a lot with the mouse and the keyboard. So yeah, the mouse is pretty good. It's not bad. It's very nice, very easy to use, very fast, very quick. Like as I said, it's pretty smooth. So in my opinion, it's a very good mouse for such a price, and especially if you're first time in the gaming industry or something like this, I suggest you to buy it. It's only £6. It's not so much. So yeah, this is the gaming mouse review. Hope you guys hope you guys enjoy it. So see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.